Today, we are learning counting and addition. How many apples can you see? 1, 2, 3. I can see 3 apples. How many bananas can you see? 1, 2. I can see 2 bananas. How many oranges can you see? 1, 2, 3. I can see 3 oranges. How many carrots can you see? 1. I can see 1 carrot. How many strawberries can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can see 5 strawberries. How many pineapples can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see 4 pineapples. How many lemons can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see 4 lemons. How many avocados can you see? 1, 2. I can see 2 avocados. Number 0. 0 means no object. Let's learn addition with number 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 1 apple plus 0 equals 1 apple. So, 1 plus 0 equals 1. 1, 2 apples plus 0 equals 1, 2 apples. That means 2 plus 0 equals 2. 1, 2, 3 apples plus 0 equals 1, 2, 3 apples. That means 3 plus 0 equals 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 apples plus 0 equals 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. That means 4 plus 0 equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples plus 0 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. That means 5 plus 0 equals 5. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 3 plus 0 equals 3. 4 plus 0 equals 4. And 5 plus 0 equals 5. Thank you for learning with us. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button.